Good morning, class 6. Today we are studying about computers, and this is chapter flowchart, and part is third. We have to draw a flowchart on for finding a greatest of three given numbers. So how we will start? First we will take an oval box and which will represent our process has been start. In next step, declare the value of A, B and C. Here we are giving three different values to the computer. In the next step, read A, B and C. The computer is receiving the three values. Now you may see a decision box. That means now a computer is going to compare. A decision has to be made. So first it has compared the value of A and B. If A is greater than B, considering that this condition is false, that means A is smaller than B, then it will go to the left hand side and it will check whether B is greater than C. Now it will compare B and C, because from above equation we know that A is smaller. So if this is true, then it will print B. If B is not greater than C, that means our leftmost condition is false, then it will print C and it will stop. Now going again back to our topmost condition, if A is greater than B, this condition is true. Then what will happen? Now we will check the condition between A and C. Here you have seen decision box. If this condition is false, that means C is greater than A. Then again it will move to the left hand side and will print C. Otherwise, if this condition is true, then it will print A. At the end, all the print A, B and C are connected, and now we are giving to stop. This shows that our flowchart is over. The logic behind this flowchart is, first we have taken the three values, we have compared the first and second, whichever is greater. We are comparing the greater of first two values with the third value. So try to develop this type of logic before making the flowchart. Always remember that flowchart is not made for a particular number. They are used in general. For example, here A, B and C can be any values. We are not defining it with the particular or fixed values.